Hello guys, welcome back to another things. But for today's video, here going to show you how to fix inZOI DirectX 12 issue. So if you're interested, let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that DirectX 12 is actually installed in your PC. Now to check that, you want to go to search at the very bottom here and just type in dxdiag. If I'm not mistaken, go ahead and run the command itself, and it should open up a window, which in this case it will show information about which version of DirectX you have currently installed. So in my case, I have DirectX 12 here, which in this case I shouldn't have any problem. But just in case if you don't have DirectX X12 here, what I would suggest you try doing is you want to open up Steam, and you want to go to your library and you want to look for inZOI and just right click on it, and you want to go to the properties option here, and you want to go ahead and go to install files and just click on the verify integrity of game files and see if that actually helps. Now sometimes some files may not have been installed or downloaded, so in this case checking if you have the correct files can actually help a lot. Now another thing that you want to do is you want to also make sure that Windows is fully updated. So go to your search at the very bottom here and just type in update and open up check for updates, and just click on the option here that says check for updates and just wait for to see if there are any updates. Now if there are any, go ahead and install that and restart your PC and see if that actually helps. Now, you may want to also make sure that your GPU is fully updated. Now, if you're not aware yet, inZOI is actually GPU heavy. So there are a lot of assets that actually rely on your GPU. Now, if you don't have this fully updated, then in this case, it may cause a lot of problems or bugs with your game, which in this case, you just need to install the updates. But yeah, depending on the app that you currently have installed, in my case, I have NVIDIA, so if you have AMD, you want to go and open it up. But in this case, you want to go to a driver's page here and just click on the download button that you see here for any updates that is available. So currently, or in this case, different GPUs out there release some form of update for newly released games. Like as you can see, there's an update for inZOI here for my NVIDIA GPU. So yeah, just make sure to install this. Once you've done that, restart your PC and see if that helps. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.